How's it going, y'all? So I was reading some of my biopsychology textbook and I made a interesting connection that I just wanted to share real fast. Humans and Neanderthals more than likely interbred about 40,000 years ago, plus or minus some. And about 40,000 years ago, they went extinct, and about 30,000 years ago, humans started creating art. Now, this just seems like, okay, cool, timeline, whatever, stuff happens, this could be a coincidence. The thing I find interesting, though, if we take this and take concepts from the book Humankind, it makes an interesting comparison. So in Humankind, there was this idea that Neanderthals may have actually been smarter than us. We know they were stronger than us, we know they had the capacity to make tools, and they were smart. So why did they die out? The book Humankind puts the hypothesis out there that, hey, maybe they died out specifically because they were bad at social learning. And we can take cues from cultural anthropology to know humans are great at social learning. This is taught in sociology textbooks, in social psychology textbooks, anthropology textbooks. If you deal with the social sciences, you'll know this is pretty common idea is that humans are great at social learning. So if Neanderthals were smart, humans better at social learning, and there was interbreeding, I find it really interesting how that could be the evolutionary path that led to humans being as intelligent as they are. Now, why am I saying this? Aren't humans and Neanderthals different species? Well, yes, but there are reasons to believe that we could have interbred. We have trace amounts of Neanderthal DNA within our DNA. People have different levels of it. And I'm not saying people with high levels or lower levels are smarter in any way. That is not the argument I'm making. We do see that there is evidence of interbreeding creating successful offspring. So, this is just my hypothesis. Humans are smart, not just because we happen to be, but partly because of an accident between what were thought to be different species that reconvened right at the perfect time before they split off forever. I just want to get your opinions. I want to see what y'all think. If you have anything to proactively disprove this or to prove it, I'd love to hear. It was just a hypothesis I thought of while reading, and I wanted to share it real fast. Hope you all have a wonderful day and good luck studying.